thank you very much for inviting us along today. Apologies that we can't do the video call, a couple of technical issues, but we'll do our best via the audio. So my name's Emma, and I'm part of the HR department here at Pioneer Group. We're based in Stockport. So I'm just going to be talking a little bit about the company, what we do, and then a bit more specifically about the roles that we usually look to fill. So if you just move on to the next slide, Caroline, if you haven't already, thank you.
Yeah.
So Pioneer Group are experts in digital transformation, been operating since 2011. We take a connected approach to AV solutions, electrical contracting and network infrastructure across various different sectors and industries, including retail, hospitality and stadia. Like I mentioned, we're based here in Stockport. This is where our head office is, but then we also do have an office down in Reading. So in terms of our clients, we have a client list which is quite vast and includes many household names and blue chip enterprises, as well as public sector organisations. So our clients include Manchester City Football Club, Lancashire Cricket Club and Leicester City Football Club. We also work with brands such as KFC, Tim Hortons and Selfridges. As well as that, in terms of public sector, we work closely with the Ministry of Justice and the Ministry of Defence. So like I say, our client base is quite varied, which is good. So if you just move on to the next slide. In terms of our company culture, we place a great emphasis on service excellence, innovation and corporate social responsibility. So in terms of the service excellence, we are fully certified across all construction requirements, including SAFE, CHARS, SMARS and others. We're also a fully ISO accredited company across quality, environment, health and safety and IT. In terms of innovation, as a business, technology is obviously at the heart of what we do, and therefore we're always innovating and keeping up to date with any kind of technological advancements that can benefit our clients. We partner with global brands such as Samsung, LG and Google to ensure we can deliver cutting-edge technology to our clients. We're the first company in the UK to sell the Google Jamboard and commission the first Samsung wall. We also invest heavily within our own offices to provide an efficient work environment to our employees. In terms of corporate social responsibility, we're very much committed to sustainability and reducing our impact on the environment. We're always considering the environmental and economic impact when engaging in any contracts. As previously mentioned, we do have the ISO certification, which is a comprehensive environmental specific accreditation. We also encourage recycling in our offices and keep our use of resources to a minimum. So Pioneer Group, if we just move on to the next slide.
Yep.
So Pioneer Group was split into 4 divisions, which are electrical, AV, data and digital out of home. However, we operate under a one-team ethos throughout. So even though we've got those 4 divisions, we very much work cohesively as a team throughout the company. We provide various training opportunities through courses such as the IPAS and PASMA courses. We provide industry-specific training through AVIXA. For roles within our AV and data engineering departments, we provide in-house training as well as on-the-job training. And for any electrical roles, any electricians, we support employees through apprenticeships and on-the-job training. So for any entry-level candidates, it's a great opportunity to get that kind of on-the-job training, so earning whilst you're learning. We also, in terms of personal development, we have monthly one-to-ones with all of our staff to set individual goals and work towards personal development plans. Specifically, in terms of the roles that we tend to have, I mean, you can see on the slide there, we've got various different roles within the departments that you can see. So we've got engineers, electricians, as well as project managers and operational support. We often have opportunities for advancement within the group, and many of our employees have progressed in their career within the organisation through extra training, development and opportunities for promotions and things like that. So in terms of our current vacancies, we're actively recruiting for data engineers as well as a Reading-based account manager. We always have new roles coming up, so it's a good idea to kind of keep an eye on that. We who are passionate, hardworking. We look for people that can have a kind of can-do attitude. It's important that our employees are team players, but also self-motivated to get the job done. So just move on to the final slide. To summarise, really, as I said, our head office is in Stockport, so 95% of our employees are from the Manchester area who join the company in both entry-level and more senior roles. We're the main sponsor of Stockport County Football Club and the official partner of Manchester City Women's Football Club. We pride ourselves in our contribution to the local area and provide ongoing support to Manchester-based charities as well. So we very much get involved in local events and charity events and things like that. So basically, if anybody wants any more information about Pioneer Group in general, or any more information about roles specifically, or if they want to send over any application or CV, then it's not actually on the slide, but we have a recruitment inbox, which is recruitment@pioneergroup.co.uk. So if anybody has any questions, then they're welcome to email me via there. So yeah, thank you very much for listening.